Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of the PowerShell GPT walkthrough. Today we'll be exploring PowerShell GPT's voice recognition, the different modes, and how it all works. PowerShell GPT has 3 voice recognition modes. The first is click to talk, the second is constant, and finally, wake word. Let's start with wake word. Wake word works just like Apple's Hey Siri or Amazon's Hey Alexa. The difference is with PowerShell GPT, you can change the agent's name and the wake word to anything you choose. You don't have to use the word hey as a prefix, and you can use multiple words. This allows for a more personalized experience when talking to your agent. When constant mode is selected, voice recognition is constant. And with click to talk, you need to click the mic icon to activate recognition. Okay, let's try wake word. To activate recognition, you just click the mic icon. Here's an example of speaking in wake word where we haven't actually said the agent's name. The speech is recognized, but it is not processed by the application. As soon as I say the agent's name, computer, any text after that will then be processed. As you can see, it's appearing in the model's prompt. And because Submit Speech to Model as Prompt is selected, as soon as we finish talking, the prompt will be automatically submitted to the model. This is perfect for when you want voice recognition activated, but you don't want everything you say being processed by the app.
Got it. It sounds like you're describing a setup where everything you say after a certain...
We can click that if you don't want to hear the text-to-speech to just stop it. Okay, let's demonstrate the other modes. Let's move on to click-to-talk mode. We select the option, then click the mic icon to activate voice recognition. I am testing click-to-talk mode now, where the microphone icon is clicked to activate voice recognition. But as soon as voice recognition is finished, the prompt will be submitted to the model and the microphone deactivated. And there you go. The microphone is switched off automatically after the prompt is submitted.
Thanks for explaining. That makes perfect sense for a click.
I'll just click this to stop the text-to-speech. You can permanently disable the text-to-speech by unchecking the Read Aloud Model's Responses option in the settings here. Okay, let's have a look at constant mode. We select the option and then activate it by clicking the mic icon. Now I'm testing constant mode. I don't have to say the agent's name for the speech recognized to be processed. Anything I say will be submitted to the model as a prompt. After that prompt has been sent, you can just continue to talk without clicking the mic icon, and the next thing you say will be sent to the model as a prompt. This is perfect for when you're in a quiet environment and you want to talk to the model without having to click the mic or address it with a wake word before you speak to it. From the voice recognition window, you can select which language you want to use to talk to the model. You can choose from multiple dialects for languages that support that. For example, the English language has a number of different dialects. If we select Español, you'll see there is support for a wide variety of dialects. We have Argentinian, Bolivian, Chilean, Colombian, Costa Rican, Ecuadorian, Salvadoran. The language support is vast. As well as the voice recognition being used to prompt the models, it is also used to execute commands within PowerShell GPT. I'll be covering that in an upcoming video. The voice recognition window can be closed by clicking here. And if you want to make it visible, you can right-click the mic icon. If voice recognition is active, you can also simply say, Show Voice Recognition. That concludes part 2 of the PowerShell GPT walkthrough. Thanks for watching.